ready. Who do we see? It's our friend the turtle, as happy as can be. T is for turtle, with a shell so tough, moving oh so slowly, never in a rush. In the pond, the river, even by the sea, waving to the fishes, smiling with glee. Turtle, turtle, in the shell, quiet and wise, you do so well. Turtle, turtle, swimming through the ocean blue, what a view! Turtle likes to munch on leaves and bugs, loves the muddy waters and cozy sand to snug. With a friendly wave of his little turtle paw, he carries his house, oh what we saw. Turtle, turtle, in the shell, quiet and wise, you do so well. Turtle, turtle, swimming through the ocean blue, what a view! So if you see a turtle while out on a spree, say hello kindly and let him be. For turtles are old, turtles are wise, and each turtle journey is a wonderful prize.